Hi, this is Brook, the CTO of XP.NETWORK. Today we're going to speak about bridging to and from internet computer. It's a non-EVM chain, therefore it deserves a separate video. Right now we are on the staging bucket. We have testnet, staging, and production buckets. Staging is for testing before mainnet. Staging is mainnet testing before we push it to production, and production is when you guys can actually use it. Also, we use staging for the blockchains to test our solution before they make it public for their ecosystems. So right now we're on the staging stage of development of internet computer. So let me show you how it works. How you guys can use it whenever it's ready. So let's first bridge an NFT, let's say from Moonbeam. Let's select Moonbeam as a chain of departure to internet computer. Here it is called ICP. And this symbol of eternity symbolizes the internet computer. Let's select the wallet, for example, MetaMask. And there are my NFTs that I bought in the marketplace on Moonbeam. Let me select, for example, this NFT. And now I will have to approve this NFT. So here, as usual, you can see my balance and the estimation of how many tokens I'm going to need to send this NFT to the internet computer. Well, on the internet computer, you have two kinds of accounts. Let me open the wallet. For example, Bitfinity wallet. Let me write some password. Okay, I'm in the wallet. And here you have two accounts. Account ID and principal ID. So in order to bridge, you're going to need this principal ID. So I'm copying this from here and placing it here. Now I'm ready to approve. So what I have to do is I have to slide this slider and my MetaMask will open like this. If I want to speed it up, I can go to aggressive, do it like this. It will be a bit more expensive for me. But it's still 3 cents. It's not a big deal. I can afford it. Let's confirm. Usually aggressive guarantees that your transaction is included in the block within 15 seconds. Because I don't want you to wait, guys, I decided to go for this aggressive mode. Now we're waiting for this transaction to be included in the block on Moonbeam. Still takes some time. Probably the chain is busy. You can also track this transaction here in the wallet. See, the transaction is still pending. We can go and check what's going on in the Explorer. So maybe it already succeeded. Yeah, actually it was a success. It probably just has to notify the UI. Okay, so there it is. The next step is now you can see the send button became active, so I can actually send. And again, not to waste your time, let's go for aggressive. Okay, this time it's going to cost me 56 cents. Alright, so here we have the success window. Here we have the hash on the chain of departure on Moonbeam. Okay, we can click this to see what happens on the blockchain. Well, this transaction is pending. It hasn't been included in the block. So let's wait a little bit. So once this transaction succeeds here on the chain of departure, the transaction will be propagated to the chain validators. Okay, it's a success. This token number 4431 from this collection was withdrawn from my account and was placed in this smart contract, which holds NFTs, native NFTs that were sent to a foreign chain. And here we'll also see this transaction is completed on the chain of destination. Well, here's another special thing that you have to know about ICP. Unfortunately, right now on ICP, if you're not moving fungible tokens, or especially the coin of ICP, you won't get a transaction hash on that blockchain. Of course, we can't change it. This is the protocol. So here, if you are interested, this is your account ID on ICP, which you can click, but we don't want to do it now. Here is another thing which is important for us, the collection address. So our NFT arrived to this collection address. So if you want to view it, copy this collection address and save it somewhere, maybe in a file, in a text file on your computer, and mark it with the name of this collection for you to know the canister. The smart contract on ICP is called canister. So to have the address of this canister on the internet computer. We won't close this window, just not to forget this. We can open another window with a bridge like this. And this time, let's open ICP, which is Internet Computer, as the chain of departure, and let's say that Moonbeam will be our chain of destination. And let's continue bridging. So here you can see that 3 wallets are available, Bitfinity, Plug, and Stoic. Let's go with Bitfinity since I already opened the wallet. Okay, so here we have to allow the wallet to interact with this canister. And this is the screen that you're going to see. So because we know the collection address from here, we can just paste it here like so and load the assets. And our NFT is right here. You can check that it has all the metadata from the original NFT. There it is. It knows the name of this NFT. It knows that it came from Moonbeam. And this is the collection identifier, which is the canister address. So to send this NFT back, let's again select it. Now we're going to need the Moonbeam address, so we can grab it from our MetaMask wallet, like so. Now we're ready to approve. Okay, this time we're taking to Bitfinity wallet. So first, again, it asks the permission to interact with this canister. We have to allow. Now, in this canister, we're calling the approved transaction. We're asking for the permission for the bridge canister to interact with this NFT. We say confirm. And let's wait. Okay, it was pretty fast, much faster than on Moonbeam actually. Now, the send transaction should be active. Let's click it. And again, we'll be taken to the wallet. Again, this canister, and we're calling the method called transfer. Let's confirm. It asks for the permission to interact with this canister. Let's allow. And let's wait. Another. Wants permission to use this canister. Okay, let's give the permission. So as you can see, the flow is a bit different than usual if you are used to bridging EVM compatible NFTs. The flow is pretty similar here. Okay, so we don't have a departure transaction hash because on the internet computer there are no transaction hashes for non-fungible tokens. This will open an Explorer, but this is just my account. I won't see anything. Except actually a minute ago, I sent actually tokens to the bridge contract to pay for the transaction on Moonbeam. So this transaction is here, and you can see that it's a pretty recent one. However, this is not really a transaction of transferring an NFT. Well, in order to see that we have this NFT back here, let's just refresh and let's wait a little bit. It seems like it's not here just yet. Okay, on staging, this pending never resolves to transaction hash, even though it works on testnet and production. So in production, you will see the destination hash, while on staging it doesn't work. We just didn't implement it because it's meant for testing only. What we can do here is we have the destination address on Moonbeam. We can just open the Explorer here, and we see that there was a transaction here 5 minutes ago You can also go to ERC 7-to-1 token transactions, and here we see that there was a transaction with this particular NFT. Let's refresh again. Okay, seems like this NFT hasn't arrived just yet. So in order not to waste your time, I'll check why it hasn't arrived just yet. Maybe it takes a bit more time, and eventually it will arrive. So thank you for watching. Today we spoke about bridging NFTs from EVMs to Internet Computer and back. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss our future videos, and see you next week. Bye. Okay, even though I already said goodbye, but I just wanted you to see that the NFT actually arrived. Here's the transaction. So it happened 2 minutes ago. As you can see, I sent from one chain to another 9 minutes ago, and 2 minutes ago it arrived. I just wanted you to see that everything is here. This NFT number 4431 came back to my account. And let's also go to the bridge. Let's refresh this. And there it is. So it's back. I just wanted you to know that everything's okay. It just took some time, longer than I expected, but basically after like 2-3 minutes it's here. So thank you for watching. See you next week.